flooring. Ayan. So, ayan. Meron kaming mataas ang mataas sa flooring ng aming bahay. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan siya. Shocking under. Shocking under. Ayan. Ito na yung bagong sahig ng side pinagtan. Where? What? I want to show you how the termites damage the woods. Look at that. Ayan, 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 diba? Sinisira talaga ng anay. Anay is everywhere. Look at that. Ayan yung aming labas. Tanaw sa screen. Berries. Ayan, the makulit na bata ay nagda-dancing. Oh, big circle. It's a big circle. Oh. Yeah, look at this baby rectangle, guys. It's a baby rectangle. Okay. What are you going to do with that baby triangle?
Baby rectangle.
Yeah, there's a lot of rectangle, and this one is a big square. I got a square here. Isn't the square wood there?
Si Kuya Long, oh.
Ay, si Kuya Long. What is the problem with
Kuya
Kuya
Long,
Long?
siya nagalit kay Kuya Long.
Ay, nahanap siya. Marami-rami ang dami siya. Ayan. Buti nabalis mo yung screen. Para mabunta. Yung isang side niya doon ng bintana, nabalis ko na yun. place. Okay, I see that. Oh, pabalik-balik tayo dyan sa yung rectangle. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes. That is a chocolate?
Chocolate rectangle.
Oh, it's a chocolate rectangle. Let me see the chocolate rectangle. Oh, that's a chocolate rectangle.
Did you see? The cutie baby.
Oh, explain to them. What are you going to do with that chocolate rectangle?
Because it's a chocolate rectangle.
Oh, and then, what are you going to do with that?
Like a pointy side and everything.
There's a 4 side, 2 small, and 2 short and 2 long sides. Yes, explain to them. Oh. You explain to them how, what is that? No, the shit, oh my gulay, ako naubusan na sa sabi. Oh my gulay, what a mess. This is a struggle. You know, my nose is blooding. I don't know how to explain it, but you need to explain how to do it. I really can't. You see, baby, don't get mad at me. I am trying to talk to you now. But you see, I'm short of English. Okay, you explain to them what is a rectangle. A rectangle has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. Yan, connected with each other. Am I right or wrong? Tell me your name. Tell me again. Dali, explain to them. Don't get mad. Explain to them. Explain to them what is a rectangle. A rectangle. Yeah, okay. A rectangle has 2 short sides and 2 long sides connected. Oh, diba? That's a rectangle. And now we're going to explain to them the triangle. No, the square. Where's the square? Let's go find the square. Let's go find the square. Come on. I'm going to find the square. Is that a square? Mm-hmm. Let me see. Is that a square? Nope. There's another one there. It's a square. There's a square. Look at that. Is that a square? Oh, yes, that's a square.
Like a rectangle that.
3 rectangles. Ayan. Oh, there's a lot there.
The rectangle.
You see, we're trying to find the square.
Tingnan mo na lang.
Oh, I found the square. Wait a minute.
Where?
May, tingnan mo to.
Oh, what?
Diba, lumulubog.
Ah,
Sapian mo ng ganito.
na?
Mga pirasong ganito. Tapos i-tape mo.
I-tape? Okay.
Bago natin yan, no?
Oh, sige.
Sapian mo muna ng ano, ha?
Okay, okay.
Bago natin magyan.
Okay. Oh, there's a nail. There's a nail. I don't want to touch it. Ah, there's a square. Hawakan mo kaya anak, para hindi gumagalaw. Para hindi kumirapas si kuya.
Look at her. She's making a circle. Oh, sorry.
Get a pass.
Kanina may butas to, ngayon okay na. Okay na siya. Kinubera na siya. Sinabihan na siya, kaya wala na siyang butas. Ayan. Pagkatapos, meron pa dito. May isang butas pa dito. Ayan. May isang butas pa. Ayan, mga sapi-sapi na butas. Sapi-sapi na butas. Ayan. Ayan. Actually, dito may mga malalambot. Ang problema naman ito is nababasa. Yan, malambot siya guys, malambot. Nababasa kasi may tulo sa taas. Yan. May tulo pag umuulan. Kaya pag nababasa, ayan, lumambot siya.